Hi friends, welcome to Code Hub. And this session we will discuss about statements and what is if statement. Let's jump into topic. Statements. A statement is an instruction that the Python interpreter can execute. It here the meaning of statement. One kind of instructions we have to give Python interpreter. Then it will be doing them some executions. That means is here we have to give some conditions or some statements or some value should be we have to give the particular Python interpreter. If the condition should be follows, then it will be executing the statement. That means the statement. Then selected statements are using in programming to select particular block of code to run basics on a logic condition. In the primary section, statements in Python are like if, else, or else if. First, if condition, if statement. An if statement is written by using if keyword. In the first word is if keyword. It should be keyword. And then the if statement will ends with colons. Then the printout function should be starts. Let's see some examples. If we are give some values in a variable like 2, if condition will be applied here. If a less than 5, close with colons. A less than 5, if it should be true, then print that value. Otherwise, it will be not print anything. Let's check to Jupyter Notebook. Let's we have to give some headings. Headings. Okay. Then we need to check if statements. Let's give if statements. Shift enter. Then we have to give some value to a variable, like a variable have 20 and b variable have some value like 10. Then we have to check if capital A is greater than capital B, close with colon. Let's see, print will give some space. That means condition should be happen in there. Just we have to print some value. If the condition should be true, then it will be printed. Otherwise, they won't print anything. Like a is greater than b. Let's run the program. Shift enter. Yes, a is greater than b. Though 20 value should be greater than 10 value. Then it will be print the value should be a greater than b. I want to check one more if condition. If a is equal to b, close with semicolons, colons, print a is equal to capital B. Let's run this program. If condition will be if condition should be true, then print this value. Otherwise, what is happen? Just skip. It means the condition is not acceptable. If it will be false, then automatically skip and next row will be started. Next, we have multiple if statements or nested if statements. What is nested if statement? If statement can be chained together one after another to create a multiple flow. In a flow, we have to use if statements, then it will be using nested if statements. What is nested if statements? Example, if a is equal to 2, we have take a value should be 2. If a less than 0, it will print is negative. If a equal to 0, it will print equal or 0. Otherwise, if greater than 0, it will print positive value. We will check if which if condition should be acceptable, if which condition should be true. Let's jump into Jupyter. We have if value 20, if a value 20, then if capital A less than 0, close with colon, print what is happen, A is less than 20. Otherwise, if equal to 20, close with colon, then print A is equal to 20. We have to check one more if condition. If A greater than 20, close with colon. Here we have to print some value like A is greater than 20. Let's check it. If which if condition should be acceptable. Shift enter. Yes, A is equal to 0. It means this if condition will be false, then it will comes with this if condition. Here the if condition will be true, if condition will be successful, then this if condition was not needed, no needed. Here the program should be closed. A is equal to 0, equal to 20. Then next, if else statement. In Python, if statement can include else clauses. An else clause is a section of code that runs in the if statement in false. If if the if statement is true, the code section under the else clause does not run. It means if we have to run some code in if statement, then if will be false, then automatically skip with else statement. Otherwise we have to give if statement, the if condition will be true, no need to use else condition. We will see in example, then you will be understand what is if, what is else. A is equal to 10. If condition is applied, A greater than 20, it will be false. Then else condition should be directly say A is less than 20. If A equal to 10 is the first condition, then else condition we don't need to use it. Let's check into Jupyter. We have to check A is equal to 20. We will check what is if or what is if else. A if A greater than 20, close with colon. It will goes with print statement. Print A is greater than 20. If here the if given this statement will be true, it will show this value. Otherwise it will goes to else, close with colon. We don't give any condition, it automatically we which condition we have to, which printout we have to given, that will be printed. Print A is equal to 20. Let's we have to check which condition should be true, which condition should be applicable. Shift enter. A is equal to 20. It means first condition should be false, then automatically the flow should be skipped with else condition. The next, elif statement. The elif statement can be added to an if statement to run different section of code depends upon which one of many conditions are true. The basic statement syntax of the else if state syntax we have to see in the below. We have to know some color we have to give like blue. If condition will be see this checking with red, it will print color is red. Otherwise goes with else if that will be false, then go with else. We will check in Jupyter Notebook. We have to give some core name like Swift. We have to use if condition core equal to like Innova in double quotes. I forget it, and close with colons. It will print hey, this is Innova. If this condition will be if this condition will be true, then hey, this car is Innova. Next, let's check elif. Elif, the another core name is alto. Alto. Close with the colon. Just print some statement like hey, this core is alto. If condition we need to some value and else condition we need to some value, but else if we doesn't need any value, close with directly colon. Just print some statement like no, this core is Swift. Here we need to know if condition will be false and else if condition should be also false, then the print should be automatically skipped here like this. In this place we have to use else condition to print some value. Just check it. No, this core is Swift. This is we have to use if and else. Three conditions should be applicable and usable. And please do subscribe and share my channel. Thank you.